In just a few days, Becky Lynch and Bayley, they will be squaring off in a steel cage match on Raw. Got here another blaster box of 2022 Chronicles. First time around, nothing really panned out. Perhaps that'll change this time around. Ezekiel, Sheldon Benjamin, the Ultimate Warrior, one of the GOATs, Bodie Hayward, Asuka, Drew McIntyre, and Wendy Chu, rookie card. One of the more goofier acts in WWE, but I'm sure she has her fan base. Cody Rhodes, winner of the Royal Rumble. Braun Breaker, Umaga, Veer Mahan, Paul Bearer. Oh, man. One of the most legendary sidekicks / hype men. Nikki Bella. And Bradshaw. Rick Steiner, Jimmy Uso, Paul Heyman, Optic, Big E, Triple H, and Gunther, Origins. Bayley, who I just spoke of, Road Dogg, and Origins of Axiom. Kevin Owens, who recently lost to Roman Reigns. Ronda Rousey and Solo Sikoa. Honky Tonk Man, Solo Sikoa once again. Tamina. Alexa Bliss, Cameron Grimes, and Tiffany Stratton, who just returned not too long ago. Final pack, Jinder Mahal, Scott Steiner. All right, so we got both Steiner brothers in this box. Austin Theory, Razor Ramon, and finishing off with Raquel Rodriguez. All right, that is it for this break. No autographs, no numbered cards. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. I'll be back tomorrow with more breaks and uploads.